Hello everyone, this is my intro to my video. We set up the nursery today, and well, not really set it up, I've been set it up. We just put the bed in there today. It's not much, but I like it, I love it. I'm ready for her to get here. So yeah, I have little clips and videos of the husband trying to put the bed together. And what I guess you can say, this is a review. They didn't have like no instructions on how to put it together. I'm sitting outside on my front porch because I was gonna do this little talking part inside the room, but it's not. It's more natural light out here than it is inside the room. And yeah, I put the video and the pictures up after this. But yeah, I'm so freaking happy. She'll be here in a few more weeks. This is actually our first nursery room together. The first one, well, my first son, it's my first child. I ain't want no nursery. I ain't want none of that. I wanted him in the bed with me at all times. Baby number 2, we just bought him a crib. He went wherever, any room, wherever. Her, she's a girl, so I guess she get the luxury of all the guys. They didn't. I feel bad, but I don't feel bad. They happy because they get to say I'm going to my sister's room. What up? Yeah. Peace out and enjoy.